Welcome to tryhamilton.dev. This website contains interactive tutorials to help you learn and understand Hamilton. What is Hamilton? Hamilton helps you define testable, modular, and self-documenting data flows that encode lineage and metadata. It is very lightweight, and so we can run Hamilton using PyData in the browser, and this is what powers this website. So you don't need to download and install anything. Let me explain to you a little bit what's happening with these two panes of Python. So one pane here represents a Python file or a module, and we have represented and written some functions in a Hamilton style here. These functions, the key to point out with Hamilton is that you write functions where the function declares an output or something you can get out, and the function input arguments then declare what's required to compute things. You then use the Python body of the function for whatever you want to kind of do as you would regularly do. This can be any Python code, but you don't run these functions directly. You then need some driver code that will stitch things together. So this is Hamilton code here. This functions represents this module. We then pass functions to Hamilton. Hamilton will then build this directed acyclic graph representation that happens on the right here. And then we can request things to be executed from it. And then Hamilton will go compute it. And optionally, Hamilton can also visualize it. So this is what display all functions does. It creates this graph on the right. So to recap, with Hamilton, you write functions that effectively become nodes in a directed acyclic graph. These functions, you see these edges here, you get them by declaring them as Python input function parameters. If I wanted to change or update something, my logic, all I need to do is declare a new dependency, right? And then things will just work. So what I did here is that you see I added inputs to also be an input or requirement to compute C. With Hamilton, this forces your logic to be very well encapsulated and structured. And so therefore standardizing how things are kind of written and iterated and changed. And so that's really, Hamilton in a quick nutshell. You write functions, they're declarative. The function input arguments declare things that are required. And then Hamilton will go resolve them and walk things in the right way. That's it for this quick one tutorial. So if you hit learn, you'll be taken to a very quick overview of Hamilton with interactive things that you can run. This will go over some pretty common constructs you'll encounter, and then we also have some example applications that will give you a bit of a sense of what it looks like to run Hamilton for your particular use case. Thanks for listening.